Hey folks, you guys want to know how to remove a tail light from a Subaru Outback? This is a 2013. Over here on the side here, there's two screws, little plastic screws, okay, with little Phillips there. Unscrew the little Phillips, then pull the center out, just like a little plastic clip, you see? And then the clips pop right out. There's two of them. Then it actually comes out on an angle like this, okay? Take that out. Then over here, got some screws in there, Phillips screws, or could be 10mm. Let me see. Yeah, it could be 10mm bolts or Phillips. Take two of those out. Okay, and then right here, you can put your hand right here. It's a nice spot here. Hold the side over there. Good, because there's two clips here, two round clips that they clip onto like that. So you're just gonna grab it from here and just give it a nice yank. And there's your tail light. All right. These are the two clips on the side. That's where it hooks onto, right there, just like a picture frame. And there's your two bulbs. All right, if you want to change your bulbs, right there, perfect time. Twist them off and change them. All right, I changed the little tiny bulb on the side. So put it in the back, line up the clips, snap it back in. Two screws in here, two screws to hold that, and you're good to go. All right, two screws, tighten it up. Take the little black cover here, put that on. That's gonna snap into place, just like that. And these little tiny clips go into these little tiny holes. Gotta find the other one, there it is. Midnight Auto Repair. Go up here, find the hole up here. Dun, 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 dun. I need my other hand for a flashlight. But anyway, that's what it is. Screw it in, or you could just push it in. All right, that's it. We're done. Thanks for watching. Ciao.